Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making Frank's Labotomy lemon bars from our Rocky Horror Picture Cookbook. And for that, we are going to need 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. For our filling, we need 3 large eggs, 3 egg yolks, 3/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter cut into cubes, and some powdered sugar for the top. Well, this should be a fun process, so let's go. Well, to start off our lemon bars, we're going to put in our baking powder and salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, and our 1 1/4 cup of flour. And give that a nice little whisking together till it's well combined. Next, we're going to take room temperature and melted butter and, using a fork, mix it in until it forms a crumbly dough. Alright, once I've gotten my dough looking like little beads or breadcrumbs almost, we're going to take it and press it into the bottom of our 9x9 baking dish. I've already put my oil and extra flour on that. I'm just going to press this down nice and firmly. Once it's pressed down all the way, we're going to take the little tines of our fork, make a few little holes and incisions into it, and we will be baking this for the next 15 minutes at 375. And to start off my curd recipe while that is baking, I'm going to add my lemon juice, 3 whole eggs, 3 yolks. Gotta scrape the rest of that out in a minute. And my cup of sugar. And on a very low heat, we're going to whisk that together pretty constantly. Probably for the next good 10 minutes or so. About 10 minutes in or so, you're going to want to add those butter chunks little by little and start melting and stirring them in. Lemon mixture is reaching a nice curd consistency. We will be taking our crust out of the oven and pouring this into it. Once our curd is spread evenly in there, we'll be putting it into the oven at a reduced heat of 325 for the next 15 minutes. Right, I've cut up my lemon bars, and the best part is here. We got to try them out. And I personally love lemon, so let's go. Well, the lemon bars turned out really good. I will say they're a little more sour than I thought they would be, but that's perfect for me because I love lemons. But if you were looking for a more sugary flavor in the curd, this probably isn't going to do it. However, they are still amazing. They set up really well. They were a little messy to serve, as you can see, but hey, sometimes the taste makes up for that. So if you have any thoughts, have any, advice, want to try it, may have already tried it, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video.